Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today is gonna be a very slow talking video about me, about abstract and so on. So for the past 3 or 4 weeks, I think I did a lot for abstract. I did a lot of video. It was tutorials, it was guides, it was my thoughts about the project, about situation around the project and so on. And so I really came to a thing that I almost share every project that we have now inside Abstract. I share every project that I like touching myself really daily, and for the real, I don't think there's a now need to um, making daily videos about abstract with telling you something, because I don't want to tell you some bullshit, some trash, some the things that just for talk. I don't want to do like this. I want to give you really useful information and do a really useful content. I'm trying to do it as much as I can. But now I came to a situation where the chain is growing step by step. There's like some stack of the programs and projects that we are like using daily, okay, and we don't have like a lot of new projects that I can like talk about or describe or make a tutorial on this and show you. So that's why I decided that from this day to, I don't know, to whatever date, I will not make videos about abstract daily, because there's really nothing to talk about, as I said. um, like there's nothing to talk about, not because it's a like bad project and there's nothing to do, no. Like there's, I told you a lot, you have a lot of videos to watch in my channel. How to do it? I have a lot of videos for you to watch on my channel with tutorials and guides, and so you can go back and watch some videos, some of my previous videos with a lot of information and a lot of knowledge that you can take from me. And so from this moment, I think that daily video about abstract will stop, and like I was thinking that I could make some kind of streams, maybe on YouTube, maybe on Twitch, with me like taking several hours a day doing my abstract daily routine. Maybe I will do it later, but I was hoping to get the abstract creator role that I haven't get yet, and I was planning to do this inside abstract. But but things going the way that it goes, so I don't have any streamer role on abstract yet, but it's okay. I'm continue to search, and so I'm continue to trying to get this role. It doesn't mean that I'm surrendering on something like this. You maybe can see that I'm maybe looks like a little bit tired. Maybe it's like this, but it's okay with me. I'm just sitting thinking that, yeah, I've done a lot for abstract chain. I've done a lot for new users with my tutorials and guides, and I help many people answering on Discord. And I now sit and think that what can I do more for, not maybe just for abstract, but maybe for all the crypto community. And I sit and think about it, and I get to the idea that now on this channel we will maybe have less videos, but I will try to make it longer. I will try to make it more quality, and I will start doing videos about other project, not only about abstract, not only inside abstract, but maybe some other projects around in crypto. So I was thinking about mono testnet. I know that a lot of people like doing it now. I have something to share you about the Monad, so I hope it will be useful for people. Also have a lot of projects that I'm doing in crypto and want to share it with you. So this is my thoughts about like what the future of this YouTube channel and what is the future of my Twitter, because yeah, I'm like writing sometimes about other projects outside the abstract, and it's okay, and putting my mind and my focus only on abstract is like um, will not give me a lot of followers on Twitter, will not give me a lot of subscribers on YouTube, because abstract is a very cool project for me, I think, but it's cool because there's also not a lot of people inside, and a lot of people like getting out for some weeks after the drain, after the week number 3, when we used to have like low amount of XP, and now maybe you know that there will be a refund of the Ethereum that people lost inside Cardex. I haven't received my yet, but I'm waiting for it. And so yeah, there's not a lot of people inside abstract, and it's very cool project, and this is one of the reason when I'm doing it. But if this project is not so like popular, then with doing videos and content about this project will not give me a lot of followers inside YouTube and also inside Twitter. But my goal is to grow this YouTube channel, and also my goal is to grow my Twitter account, number of followers, and so on. And so yeah, now you know that in this channel I will stop making daily videos from the moment now, because it's really like difficult sometimes. I was sitting sometimes and thinking, oh my god, I have no idea. I need to make a video. What do I need to talk about? And yeah, it was difficult sometimes, but I always was founding something inside my head. And now it was a little bit nervous, and now I understand that from this moment I need to stop a little bit, take my time, think about some things that I need to do more quality, rather than do tons of video with tons of useless videos for my followers and for people in crypto and people all around the world. So yeah, that's it. And as I said, it doesn't mean that I'm like surrendering and something like this, that I give up. No, it's not like this. It's not like this. So in one of my first videos about abstract, I was talking that I have some strategy to get XP, and then after week number 1 or maybe week number 2, I told you that I will change my strategy inside abstract. And now I'm thinking the same with YouTube. So my strategy was to make daily videos about abstract and so on, and now as in abstract I'm changing my strategy, and I'm saying that that I need to change strategy and go more with less videos and quality content, rather than doing daily videos about abstract. So yeah, that's it. Maybe yeah, you know that I'm maybe look a little bit like tired because I'm started to work and I was working the whole day, but it's okay. I'm moving on. I'm moving forward, and maybe I don't have so much time now, but I have more money. I have more abilities to do the things that I want really. So things is getting better and better every day, and that's why I like it. That's why I like this life. Yeah. So for this token video, it's over. Thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my Twitter, because I'm trying to grow in it, you know. And also subscribe to this YouTube channel. If you have any questions, you can like ask me questions anywhere. You can find me in Twitter, in Discord, here in the comments below. So if you have something to ask, go and do it. And yeah, for this video it's over. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a good day, have a good night, have a good life. Goodbye.